Children, hope you are fine and doing well. In the previous class, we were doing the lesson Ranji's Wonderful Bat. So, before we start the class, let's have a brief recap about the previous class. So, in the previous class, we have seen how a boy named Ranji was out during the cricket match. So, he was out on the first ball and he was feeling very upset. On the way home, where there was a Mr. Kumar sports shop. Whenever he used to go back to home, he used to go to the shop too. But today he was feeling disappointed and he don't want to linger in the shop. But this was one day when he didn't feel like stopping on the shop. So let's start page number 18. He looked the other way and was about to cross the road when Mr. Kumar's voice stopped him. So here he was looking on other side, not on the shop. So at the time, the owner of the shop named Mr. Kumar stopped him. Okay, Mr. Kumar voice stopped him. Hello Ranjit, off in a hurry today and why are you looking so sad? So Mr. Kumar asks, hello Ranji, why are you so hurry today and why are you looking so sad? So Ranji had to stop and say namaste. He could not ignore Mr. Kumar, who had been so kind and helpful, always giving him advice. So as Mr. Kumar called him, he could not ignore. Instead he stopped and greeted namaste to Mr. Kumar. As Mr. Kumar was so kind and helpful, and he always give advice to him means to Ranji how to play different kinds of bowling. So Mr. Kumar had been a state player once and had scored a century in, turn over to next page, century in a match against Tanzania. So here Mr. Kumar also was also a state player once and he had scored a century when there was a match against Tanzania. Now he was too old for first class cricket, but he liked encouraging young players and he thought Ranji would make a good cricketer. So now he liked cricket very much, but now no use because he was growing too old. So but anyway, he liked to encourage young players and he thought that Ranji would one day become a good cricketer. What's the trouble? He asked as Ranji stopped in the shop. Lose the game today? So Mr. Kumar asked to Ranji, what's the trouble? Then Ranji stopped in the shop and said, I lost the game today. Ranji felt better as soon as he was inside the shop. So at first Ranji didn't want to stop on the shop, but when Mr. Kumar called him, he had to stop. So as soon as he entered inside the shop, he was feeling better. As he was feeling upset, but as soon as he entered inside the shop, he was feeling better. Mr. Kumar was so friendly, even the sport good scene friendly. Mr. Kumar was so friendly, even the sport good seemed friendly. The bats and balls and shuttlecocks all seemed to want to be helpful. Here, Mr. Kumar was so friendly, okay. Even the sports materials which was inside the shop of Mr. Kumar seemed to be friendly too. So, the bats and the balls and the shuttlecocks all seemed to want to be helpful. We lost the match, said Ranji. Never mind, said Mr. Kumar. Where would we be without losers? There wouldn't be any games without them. So, Ranji said that today we lost the match. At the time, Mr. Kumar replied that no need to be disappointed and we should not mind. Because where would be, if there is no winner, then where would be the loser? There is no game without lose and win. So no cricket or football or hockey or tennis, no carom or marbles, no sports shop for me. Anyway, how many runs did you make? So Mr. Kumar said that no cricket or football or hockey or tennis, no carom or marbles, no sport shop for me. If we stop to play and if there will be no sports. Anyway, he asks, how many runs did Ranji make in the game? None. I made a big round egg. Ranji said that nothing. I have not scored but a big round egg, that is 0. Mr. Kumar rested his hand on Ranji's shoulders. Never mind, all good players have a bad day now and then. So Mr. Kumar said that don't mind, don't worry, because all good players know those who are playing, they used to have a bad day too now and then. But I haven't made a good score in my last 3 matches, said Ranji. So Ranji said, although we all are same, but today I haven't made a great score in the last 3 days match. I will be dropped from the team if I don't do something in the next game. So Ranji said that I have to do better next time. I have to drop from the team, and I have to do something for the next game. Otherwise, what will happen? He will be out from the game. Well, we can't let that happen, mused Mr. Kumar. So Mr. Kumar said that, well, anyway, I cannot, or we cannot help in this matter. Something will have not to be done about it. So here someone may know that something will have to be done without it. Then next, but I haven't made a good score my last 3 matches, said Ranji. I will be dropped from the team if I don't do something in the next game. So here Ranji said that he have not made any good runs in the last 3 match, but he said he didn't want to leave the team. Anyway, if he will not play well, he have to leave the team in the next game. So, well, we can't let that happen, mused Mr. Kumar. So Mr. Kumar said that we will not let that thing happen to you. Something will have to be done about it. He said that something means we have to do something about it. I am just unlucky, said Ranji. Maybe, but in that case, it's time your luck change. So Ranji said that I am unlucky, maybe I am unlucky, but in that case, it is the time your luck change. Okay, so in the cricket, what happened? Not only in the cricket, in the game, sometime your luck change, your luck favor you. It's too late now, said Ranji. Now Ranji said that nothing to talk about this, nothing to say about this, it is already too late. Then next, nonsense, it's never too late. So Mr. Kumar said, are you talking with your sense? I think that you don't have sense, because it's not too late. Now you just come with me to the back of my shop and I will show you if I can do something from your luck. So very generous man. The man said, Mr. Kumar said that come back of my shop. So I will see you there, and if I can do something about your luck. Puzzled Ranji followed Mr. Kumar through the curtain partitions at the back of the shop. So when Ranji came with his with the thought of curtain partition at the back of the shop, he found himself in a badly lit room and stuck to the ceiling with all kinds of old and second-hand sporting goods, torn football bladders, broken bats, racket without string, broken dirt, and tattered badminton nets. So here Ranji was puzzled as Mr. Kumar through the curtain partition back to the shop, called him through the curtain shop at the back, through the curtain partition of the shop, back of the shop. He found himself in a badly lit room and stuck to the ceiling with all kinds of old and second-hand sports good. So here what happened? He found himself, he was locked in a room, and he found himself, he was locked in a room where he can sport goods, things like torn football bladders, broken bats, rackets without string, bladders, torn football bats, rackets without string, broken dirts, and tattered badminton nets. So here he could found football bladders, broken bats, rackets without string, broken dirt, and tattered badminton too. He has found there. So I hope children you are clear enough up to here. We will continue in the next class. Please, whatever I have explained today and in the previous class, please go through it. Okay, because I may take anytime a surprising test of this chapter. Thank you.